A young princess in a soft pink dress, standing near a balcony. A princess quietly entering a large royal kitchen at dawn. Princess wearing a cute apron over her dress, standing beside a cooking pot. Princess chopping vegetables on a wooden table, slightly clumsy, but smiling. A boiling pot releasing aromatic steam, she happily steering the pot. An older palace chef entering the kitchen with a surprised expression, seeing the princess cooking.
Princess, are you sure about this recipe? It might need a special touch.
I want to learn to cook, to create magic in the kitchen with my own hands.
Soup being carried by the princess through the palace hallway towards the dining hall. The king and princess sitting at a long royal dining table, tasting the soup with joy.
My dear Prince, grace and charm light up this hall more than any feast ever could.
Princess Arya back in the kitchen, tying her apron, peacefully. She really enjoyed her love for cooking. Asterisk.